Types affect semantics. So to understand this section, which is not a very hard concept, we have to understand the idea of type and the idea of semantics. So we've seen types. Types are integer, float, boolean, string, and so forth. Semantics means the meaning of an operator. What does it mean when you do 3 times 2? Well, 3 star 2, I should say. So the asterisk has a meaning, and we take it to mean times. But what does times mean? And times can mean something different for integers than it does for, say, an integer and a string. And in fact, that's exactly what happens. An integer times an integer gives you back, well, multiplication that you're used to, 6. But an integer times a string, this times, even though it's the same operator, has different semantics, different meaning. And it means to repeat this string this many times, hence ABC, ABC, ABC. Plus does the natural thing with integers. If you have 2 strings and you add them, it means to concatenate them into 1 string. Finally, even though we can multiply an integer by a string, we cannot add an integer plus a string. Python does not know what to do with that, and so it crashes and complains, I don't know what to do with adding an integer and a string. So we see that you can't just say what an operator does, what its semantics are, without taking into effect the types of the operands.